Good morning. Hi, I am Darrayl Miles of the Miles Agency with Allstate Insurance Company in Kissimmee, Florida. I want to come to you today and just give you two quick tidbits of information. And both of these are going to center around changing insurance carriers. The first thing I'm going to say is this. Oftentimes, with insurance agencies or an agent like me, from time to time we do lose a customer. We get customers, but from time to time we lose one. But you know what? The most frustrating thing to me is this, is when we lose a customer that had maybe some high limits on bodily injury, say at 100, 300. So every time there was an accident, they have 100,000 for any one individual and 300 for the total incident. And then you get a deck page that they're leaving, and then now they have 1020. A limit that is significantly lower and exposes you to a lot less, exposes you to a lot more should there be an accident. And then your assets may come into play because it's much easier to eclipse a 1020 limit than a $100, $300 limit. So with that being said, I encourage you, if you decide to change carriers, make sure to do some homework and ensure that you're going to get your bodily injury limits the same versus changing those limits. Now, studies have shown that customers, when they do change insurance companies, do oftentimes save money. But that same study also showed that those same customers that save money lowered their insurance limits. So they compromised their coverage for themselves for the sake of saving money. But consider this. Now, the company that you're with, they can also reduce those limits without you having to change company. So also give them a try. And then the second thing I want to leave with you is this. The underwriting guidelines are changing. There used to be a significant benefit to changing every 6 months to try to find the most cost-effective rate for your auto insurance. Now, companies and underwriting guidelines have changed so that they're actually penalizing customers who show less loyalty and change a little bit more frequently. So be on the lookout. Customers who jump around more frequently now are actually paying more for insurance. So those are the two things I just wanted to share with you today. One, when you're leaving the company, make sure you're going to get apples to apples coverage. And then two, you may want to stick with that company that you're with a little bit longer, because in the long run, customers that change frequently are now paying higher insurance. I want to say this. I just want to say thank you for watching the video, and many blessings to you and your family.